Through 18 inches of snow, they'll never see their prey, but they still, with deadly accuracy, can pluck voles and mice out without failure, really. It's quite incredible how good they can do that. Another feature they have, hopefully you've all been paying attention as she's flying over your heads, is silent flight. She doesn't make any sound when she flies. Her feathers are extremely soft, and they've got a nice frilled edge on them that helps to muffle her sound as she flies through. Down covering her scaly feet, very fine feathers, and that, again, further helps to keep her quiet.